is Jia. Today I'm making Varyari's Sharbat, and kids like this most recipe and it's cool for some. So in ingredients we need roasted Varyari, roasted elchi, peas, sugar, black pepper and khaskhas. And I grind the peas, sugar in this grinder and 2 bowls. So I'm putting inside. So let's get started. Now I'm adding roasted varyari. Oh my god. Then roasted elchi, then black pepper. It's like ball. And then khaskhas. Okay, so all is done. So now varyari is all grind. You can see it's actually green color. So now this is I'm putting. Then I'm doing with this big spoon. Oh my god. Then I'm pouring. You can see here is smooth inside. Okay, so I properly grind, and so let's give a good mix. Okay, so now I'm taking 2 spoons and I'm pouring in this glass. 1 and 2. So I'm putting inside. Then I'm adding all full cup of cold water. Okay, it's leak. Then I'm adding ice. Oh, my hand is cold. It's thick. It's cold, guys. Whoa. Oh. Now I'm mixing. Just look at this. It's looking very yummy. And I'm garnishing. I have my kitty one's plate. I'm garnishing. Okay. So my varyari Sharbat is done and I'll taste it. It's good. Wow. So I hope you like my video and subscribe my channel. Click the like button on YouTube. Bye.